vacation, I ordered a bunch of fire alarms, and they showed up while I was on vacation. That's why I haven't posted in a little bit. But today, hold on, let's start with this one first. Man, why are they so packaged up? Also, he now is not a short because I'm now using a GoPro instead of camera on a phone. It's nice. It is a Simplex. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't matter. This is a backplate for my Simplex alarms. That's nice. It's set up. Also, you didn't know. I'm getting a fire alarm panel for my installs fire alarms out in Philadelphia. So he's giving me a panel for free. So soon, a couple of months, I'm gonna have a fire alarm system hooked up. We're gonna start doing system test videos. Okay, so this is not my package. I forgot my mom ordered some stuff, so this should be my package. I can get the scissors into it. Almost broke the scissors there. Okay, this is heavy. I think this might be a pool station. Let's see. Or another back box. I think it's another back box. Yep, right here it's a Simplex. No, this is a Honeywell back box. My mistake. Came with that. So two back boxes. Two more packages here. Studio. Walmart. This is not from Walmart, by the way. Whoever sold it decided to use a Walmart box. I'm not that cheap. Edward Police Station. As you can see, okay. Edward's non-coated fire alarm box. So that's new to my collection. I think this one might be something else. I forget all about it. these scissors. Okay, and I'm right. We got I think this is a Siemens arm screw, I forget. Ah, crap, it didn't come with the mounting bracket, so that's nice. No, it's a wheel lock, my mistake, I forgot what it was. So got an Edwards and a wheel lock. This is a horn screw, I believe, yeah. So, that's it for this video. If you want to stay tuned for the possible system test videos that will be coming up, subscribe.